I told my, well, I told your YouTube how it's your fault that I slacked on Vlogmas.
Wait, how was it my fault?
Because we was drinking and the next day I was tired and had to
we
do
was
class.
outside for real, but we back in the house. And time's up what we got. We have our little Christmas shirts at my mama's house. Back to another motherfucking vlog. Well, I look crazy. I'm always starting my vlogs crazy, but I don't care. I just cleaned my whole house. It is 9:20. I just cleaned my whole house. Oh, it's Friday the 23rd, so tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Girl, I cleaned my whole house, washed dishes, cooked, and guess what? And I did 5 clients today. Yeah.
So today is Thursday.
My dog's sick. Now I'm hungry, bitch, and I'm about to roll up. So I don't know if I want cinnamon toast crunch or chicken pot pie. Chicken pot pies be smacking. I don't care what anybody says. But yeah, I just wanted to start my vlog. Let me get something to eat. I'll be right back. First, I want to show you guys the vibes. This is what we doing. Got my books over there. I'm about to roll up. Watching Kennedy. Christmas vibes, you know. Oh, it's me. Look at my little boy outfit. No, it's even the socks. Like, hey! Guys, I swear it's not. Chanelli! No. You can't be barking like that, bro. You're sick. Here. I swear your guys' niece is always trying to make an appearance. She knows when I'm recording. Like, but what we about to eat, girl? Let me see. Let me get me a little bowl or whatever. Oh, I can't wait to get cute tomorrow. Do my nails. I did my toes, but I'll show you guys in a few. Guess right now what am I about to eat? Cereal or chicken pot pie? Leave a comment right now. Leave a comment right now. What am I gonna eat? Now this white shirt looks mad dingy. Alright, let's see who gets it right. It's the cereal. Lolly! Bitch got no respect, bro. None. Oh, this is why I don't do that, because it makes a mess. No, and I just cleaned my crib. Oh, you guys don't see the mess, look. All them crumbs, bro.
Y'all watch some of this footage.
Almond milk.
So after I was done eating, I finally decided.
Guys, I only like a tiny bit of milk in my cereal.
And start decorating the living room.
How much milk do you guys like? Do you like to drown in milk, or do you like only a little bit? This is perfection right here, okay? If your cereal don't look like this, then you're doing it wrong. Shit.
This was a super easy process with your girl.
I was about to say, alright, I need to call maintenance about this because this is ridiculous, but I was about to say, I'm about to just eat it with a, ooh, I didn't even know that was a spoon. I was about to just eat it with a fork. This fucking girl's crazy.
And then I'm also unwrapping the rug that I got. The rug link will also be in the description box down below. It is from Overstock.
I'm gonna write in my books and plan out tomorrow. That's some gas I just got too, by the way. Nah, I gotta replay that. How Chanel just jumped off this couch. Hey!
But the edges of the rug were lifting a little bit, so I used some of these rug covers I got from Amazon. I just added these onto the corners to keep the rug placed down on the floor.
This shit is smacking. Guys, I don't even know what I'm wearing for Christmas or my birthday.
That's all I did for the living room this day. The next step, we have a little art project I decided to do. And these are just 2 old pictures that I had hung up at my...
It's about hatred. This is about race. The Hamas wasn't going to protect us.
You are making people want to kill me.
Crazy. Alright guys, I just rolled up and I just finished journaling. But I'm tired, so I'm about to smoke this and relax. But I low-key want to go to sleep, but I gotta give Chanel medicine at 12 a.m. It is 10:30, so I'm about to just smoke this and sleep on the couch until it's time to give her her medicine. Then after I wake up and give my girl her meds, baby, I'm taking it to the bed. I'm just staying right here so I don't like oversleep over her medicine. But look at her. She already got one of her medicines. That's why she's out of it like that. My princess. But yeah, I'm about to light up. Where's my lighter? I'm about to light this fucking Spliffington up.
They had my picture and my name, and I'm just like, that's so dope. You know what I mean? Like, it just felt so personable. That's what makes it even more special. That's how I feel. So it was invite only.
Right now I'm watching
enough footage as I could.
Doll.
On my TikTok, I do have
what's her name? I think it's Dollface.
My TikTok, you guys will see like
I like her.
more behind the scenes.
I've been following her for a minute, but
they had drinks.
she used to do mad makeup videos. Now she does vlogs and shit.
Drinks. Like,
But yeah, she's cool. She be smoking in her vlogs too.
I was so lit. I'm not even gonna lie, I was so lit. They had food too as well. I didn't eat the food. I had already eaten before I came. They had like little small food, like little mini burgers and like there was some other stuff that was sitting on the table, but I didn't have any of the food. It was just really, really nice. And then we were able to
I don't like when I don't put enough grabber because it don't
we were able to get
like punch me. It'd be like
and then you
smooth.
guys already know she
Nah, like a
is,
little
like,
punch, please.
She is already great price for their clothing, like, you know. So imagine 30% off your order in the store. So I felt like that was dope. I got a puffer jacket. I got so yeah, it's a cute puffer jacket I bought. I got it in a medium. I was gonna get small, but I'm like, nah, I'm gonna get this size here because just in case I want to use my sweaters, whatever. I feel like I like my jackets to be a little oversized a little bit too. So yeah, and then this is like our I can't but this was our wristband, you know.
Jesus, I hope it's not the Rona. Damn, I just woke her up. She's out of it right now.
So I'm so excited about this. This was so dope, so fun. So I won the raffle. I haven't opened it. I can even open this. How can you open this? See how good it is. So they have a beauty line. It's called Grwm. So I got one of their eyeshadow palettes.
Hey guys, I suck. It's the next day. It's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve or whatever. But I had to come on here and tell you guys this. Why I was trying to take a nap and somebody's knocking on my door. I'm over here thinking like it's my dad or something. Bro, I had a client. I forgot I had a client. But I did her whatever. And I'm about to go to my mama's, so I need to throw something on, look a little bit normal. I think I might get cute at her house. I don't know. But yeah, I just had to come on here and tell you guys, like, not me sleeping, I had a client. Horrible. Hot, dope. But yeah, it's Christmas Eve, babe, and I already told Jovi his gift. I folded. My little brother's Jovi. I already told him his gift. I folded. Like, I can't hold shit down. But I need a. Oh, it's 555. I looked at the time today. It was 333 444 222. Period. Anyways, and guys, I still haven't found a birthday outfit. I know I'm wearing that skirt. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. Wrong video. I thought I was coming checking in on my birthday prep, whatever. Ooh, talking too much. But yeah, look how much medicine my dog has to take.
My alarm clocks is crazy. I have not been sleeping, bitch. I'm a mother. Literally, I'm about to show you guys my alarm clocks. Because this shit is crazy. 12 a.m., 2 a.m., 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m. Like, it's really all day. So I've been living off naps. What can I say? I'm anything for my baby. Like, alright, let me stop talking and get cute, and I'll be back. Alright, guys, I didn't do much because I'm kind of lazy, so. We have our little Christmas shirts at my mama's house, so yeah, I'm about to roll this gas up and be on the way. But yeah, guys, I might get ready at my mom's house, like do my makeup and stuff and film a video, like me getting ready and a life update, because yeah. But I don't know. I gotta see how I feel, because I didn't tell you guys I have the flu. Had the flu. I don't think I have it anymore. I'm on like day 5, 6. I don't know. But yeah. I don't know, my head still hurt. Tis the season. Wait, let me show the Christmas tree. Oh, you just can't see it. This the season. My dog keep following me. Like, sis, you know I'm not leaving you. You know you're coming with me, girl. We are in this together, babe. Literally together. Guys, one of these days I need to do a practice of me doing my makeup, like my eyes and stuff, for my birthday, so it can look fire. Because I gotta make sure that should look cute. Oh, the food's done at my mama's. I can't wait. We are about to make a gingerbread house.
Yeah, can you blur my face?
Why?
Because they probably know who I am.
Yeah, they probably do know.
Come through the little goodies. What's that? So cute.
This is about to be the dog
You got frosting on your face.
t-shirt. Oh, Princey's over there. Me? Cece said I got frosted on my face. Where? God bless you. Oh, I was eating a frosting. Princey! Oh, you want to get in it?
Oh my god, I keep hurting my nails.
Why are you doing that? You even let your sister take a picture of it.
Oh, it's
Take a
okay.
picture from that side.
Show them what you're doing.
Belly, come here, mama.
Mmm.
Get out of my girl, just not yours. Period. I like Steph's camera. See, I need a new camera. Y'all, tell Stephanie buy me a camera. I need a new camera. My shit is way too big. Like, way too big, y'all. I always told my YouTube people I'm supposed to be doing Vlogmas, y'all. I have not did Vlogmas. Like, I slapped OD. I ain't gonna lie, I did my little thing getting though. But then my ass started going partying with Steph. And yeah, your girl was drunk and tired, and next day I had to work and slapped. So, but blame Steph, y'all. Blame Steph, okay?
Oh.
I told my, well, I told your YouTube how it's your fault that I slacked on Vlogmas.
Wait, how was it my fault?
Because we was drinking, and the next day I was tired, and had to
we
do
was
class.
outside for real, but we back in the house. And time to focus up.
I love
them
your
the phone.
camera. No,
It's because it's
I need it.
Right?
Yeah.
Bro, it's $500 to open box.
Oh yeah, Steph's gonna buy me one.
No, you should have bought that instead of your
Right?
iPad. Girl, I gave you my whole big camera.
Yeah, I hate it.
You hate my big camera?
I hate it.
Yeah, T2. I'm vlogging. Who asked me if I'm vlogging? Yeah, nigga, you already asked me that shit.
It's gonna taste better now.
Let me see your shirt. Ooh.
Because they need food.
You see me washing my hands. Princey, let me see your shirt. Ooh, Princey.
I didn't have my hands in the
Yo, stop being weird.
What you still got going on?
Richard wants to put his dirty freaking hand water on me.
Someone want to start washing their hands once I start washing my hands.
Bro, I was already washing.
No, you wasn't.
Cece don't even wash her hands.
Right.
Why are you lying?
Use the bathroom, don't wash your hands.
I don't.
You don't?
You wash your hands after you pee. She's lying. No. She's lying. She washes her hands every time she gets
Yo, jeez.
You don't even want to say nothing because you know you're lying.
No, I have to tell him to wash his hands.
Nah. Who's that?
What's up, baby? You're full?
10 to
Okay, guys, I'm about to pour up some eggnog for me and my mama. But I'm about to make it a special way. Wait, was I supposed to shake this? Wait. This got liquor in it, Mom? I think this shit got liquor in it. Hi, my love. Ooh, this got liquor in it.
Does it?
I don't know. I just don't want it if it do, cause
Why? You don't think it's good?
I don't like creamy stuff. But
Dude.
oh fuck no.
What?
This got alcohol in it. Never mind.
I didn't know.
It says whiskey.
What does whiskey mean?
Some type of alcohol. Pass me some water. You do right?
I don't think they can.
Say what's up to my people.
Hi, Goofies.
Jovi said, "What up, goofies?" Why you call them goofies though?
Cause they can.
Yeah, you right. You definitely right. This one's smooth, though. You can't lie with that thing.
Wait, why does my
I feel
camera
like that supposed to be strong.
look crooked though?
Turn mom, nigga. Niggas not nah, no bullshit.
Now, how much percent is it?
40, it's the same. 40%.
Oh, yeah, this shit is.
Where you going? I'm about to take out my video.
40%. My holiday bottle. Stephanie, stop. Okay.
Ew. No, not yet. Princey. Look at princess. Show me your shirt. Ooh.
That's yours?
P, we opening gifts. Nah, it's pretty for me. Hold on. What are you doing? How are you doing, Princey? My princess is sick. Wait, why is he not in?
No, it's not the right one. It's the right one, but it's not oily.
That's watching everything, making sure I don't leave.
Niggas try to throw some shit. Bro, look. Niggas played for a whole hour. Look at the score. 10 to 3.
I got faith in you. I feel like I'm still going there.
Jovi's the first one with his presents. Woo! What is it, Jovi?
It's a box. I knew it. I told you it's a box.
A box of what?
What's this there? Tell me what you think it is.
What is this? Oh, they're messing with you, Papa? I'm gonna get the PC. You don't want no Vans, Jovi?
Those are fly, bro.
Let me see.
Red and white.
Ooh, Jovi.
Holy shit!
Where did that come from? What is that, Jovi? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it, Jovi? What is it? A PC? Nah, let's definitely see. Let me see, let me see. Ooh, Jovi! Alright guys, I'm finally back motherfucking home. And your girl is tired, okay? I had to give my daughter some more medicine and then I better roll up and go to sleep. Even though I had to give her, I'm giving her that medicine right now because the baby, I'm not waiting until 2 a.m. Then I gotta wake up at 6 a.m. and give her another medicine. No. So yeah, today was fun. You know, some people celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Yeah, we celebrated it on Christmas Eve. And yeah, Merry motherfucking Christmas. I hope y'all got stuff that you wanted. And if you didn't, it's okay. It's the thought that counts. Period. But get ready for the new year because Christmas is over now. So, well, tomorrow's Christmas Day. But, you know, I celebrated today. But, yeah, go get ready for the new year, bro. What you want to accomplish in the new year. All that. And I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's the next day. I'm currently at my mama's house. I literally woke up and just came here. But because you know I needed leftovers. Why I didn't take leftovers yesterday. But look, I got the princess eating some chicken. And I'm eating this. So good. That's some seafood.
She's like,
macaroni.
I couldn't see who that was and I was trying to look. She's like, is the kid vlogging? The kid vlogging?
Yo. Why is my camera crooked? Yeah, so I'm eating leftovers right now. And these shits is busted. Mom.
What?
The lobster was good in here. Guys, so I just took a shower at my mama's house. And that was the best shower ever, let me tell you. What happened, Mom? Prissy! I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna wear this when I leave, but we're about to take like Christmas pics. So I'm about to throw this on. Princey Pooh! Pooh Pooh! Oh my gosh, Princey! Princey, you look so cute! Princey!
Chanelli, come here, Mama. She's so pretty cute. She's so beautiful. Wait.
It's a treat. Ooh, Princess! Oh, she's smart. Look at Princey. Princey, you got the... Look at my shirt. You just don't have one of these. Made by G. But we about to put these nails on. Where's my nails? I just had them on. I thought these... Huh? I got these, but I thought they was a little bit longer, but these are like finger length.
Oh my god.
But it'll still be cute. But I'm about to be brand new. Look at my nails. I'm before. Look at these healthy nail beds. I mean, these are alright. They're kind of curved. I don't like that, but they're cute. Alright guys, it's time for me to do my hair. Because it's time to get cute. Because I'm about to slide in a little bit, you know. So, oh, I miss living with my mom and hearing that yell like, Jay! My grandpa, she definitely gets it from her freaking mom and dad. Because when I'm at my grandma's house, he'd be like, my grandpa would be like, Aldina! That's what my mom would sound like. I low-key think I should have, like, I don't know, left my hair curly, kind of. Because it kind of looks cute if I would have put some product in it. You guys eating, mamas? My Chanel's feeling better, thank God. I'm about to do a life update, get ready with me, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that so you can know about my Chanel Welly, what happened to my princess. Boom. Let me redo this one. This is the front piece, so you know it gotta be perfect or whatever. But when I curl my hair, I don't even curl it perfect. I just let it loose because I feel like it looks way cuter that way than it being like super like perfect curls. Like I like brushed out curls. I don't know how to feel about my nails though. They're alright. I definitely wouldn't buy that pack again. Cause it's kind of, am I the only one that thinks it's kind of giving childish right now? Fuck it. I bought these on DoorDash, by the way. I was struggling. I'm like, I can't see my nails look like this any longer. Literally. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday nails, but shit, I'm gonna do something. That's for sure. This one. My dog is laying in my mom's dirty laundry right here, right near my feet, to make sure I do not go nowhere. Well, look at this one. Back now. If you've been watching me, you know I did a makeup get ready with me in this bathroom when I used to live with my mom, and like it's on my channel. And I remember I recorded right here in her bathroom. Oh, the oldies. Okay, how am I looking? Let me see this one. This one curled? Okay. If your hair don't take you 3 minutes to curl, then baby. It's the power button. Okay. Then yeah. Hold on, I gotta show you guys my dog look. Separation anxiety at its finest. Okay. I leave it like this and then I let it cool down and then I'm gonna brush it out. But let me get my face together so we can slide. I mean, they're not that bad. They're kind of bad. This one looks really bad. I don't know why. Whatever. Okay. Let's do this concealer so we can look a little bit presentable. Why is this only a little bit? Boom. I think I'm gonna just keep it light, do this. Some bronzer and some blush. And just like that, I already look so much better. Like put together. A little bit nose contour, and we about to call it a day. Boop. And boop. My mama's cooking some oxtails right now. Ooh, they smell so good. So good. Okay. There's that. I'm about to show you guys my new trick that I do when I do my makeup. Hold on. So what I do is this. Make sure you clean your wand so it's not so much. And then I just outline my eyebrows. You see? Now it looks like I got eyebrows. Somewhat. I need better lighting. You see? Am I missing anything? Just missing lashes, but babe, I think we're about to keep it natural. No lashes. Just so I can keep it calm and cute. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. I'm about to drop right after this one. It's gonna be a get ready with me life update, and I'm spilling all of the tea. So meet me there and leave a comment below what you want to see from me, and I'll see you in my next video.